How to add skills on LinkedIn. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can add skills on LinkedIn. That is your LinkedIn account. So how can you add skills? It's very simple. The first step and the first thing to do is to log in into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged into your LinkedIn account, you'll be brought to the LinkedIn page, your own page where you'll see your profile name, your profile picture by the left side of the screen. And by the time you scroll down, you can also check out how to connect and etc. And then by the right side too, you can check out people to follow on your LinkedIn accounts that can also boost your chances of getting jobs. And then the next step to do to move to the top part of the screen where you can see a task bar displaying options like home, my network, jobs, messaging, notifications, me. So once you see me, click on it. Now once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see your name, it sees your position, you see view profile, then you see other options as well. Just go ahead and click on view profile because you'll be dealing with your profile in this tutorial. So once you click on view profile and you're brought to the profiles page, you can see that there is a background photo, your profile picture. You can see open to, and then you can see add profile section. All right, so just click on that. Then after clicking on add profile section, a window will pop up in the middle of the screen showcasing core, add about, add education, add position, add services, add skills. So just click on that. After clicking on add skills, the add skills page would load, and here you can just go ahead and add the skills that you have. All right, and these are the suggestions available, so you can just follow through and then keep on adding as much as you can. So if it's a communication skill, you could just go ahead and add it, and then you can decide to show where the skills was used. Or and then once you're done, just click on save, and then just like that, your skill would be added to your profile. And then if you want to add more skills, just click on add more skills, and you can go ahead and add more skills. And then once you're done, save it and you're good to go. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.